Hello everybody, I'm here to tell you something about the Microsoft and the RDS Robotics Developer Studio. First of all, I would like to tell you something about the Microsoft. Microsoft was established in 4th April 1975. Microsoft is a multinational corporation of America which headquarters is in Redmond, Washington, USA, which developed the manufacturer's licenses regarding all the computing and through its various product divisions. In 2010, in fiscal year, the Microsoft had the 5 major product division. First is Windows and Windows Live division. Second is Server and Tools. Third is Server Online Services division. Third is Windows Business division, and fifth is Entertainment and Devices division. And there are a lot of projects which are created by the Microsoft, like Windows 7, Windows CE for the embedded system, and Windows Phone 7 for the smartphones. But out of this, I would like to work on the RDS Robotics Developer Studio. Basically, RDS provides a .NET environment for the creating and debugging the robotics field. It helps to just designing in the robotics, and it also helps to just facilitates in the robotics designing, and it provides the hard software. It challenges present in the robotics, example observability, reusability, and configuration, concurrency. These all the facilities which are provided by the RDS. And in overview of the RDS, it also provides the Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio. It is a window based which provides you to facilitate in the designing of the robotics, and it also comes with a lots of tutorials which help in the robotics designing. There are certain functions of the RDS. First is that it provides the end-to-end developer studio. It has the, which means that you can use this software for a wide range of hardware. It is not limited for the any range. You can use it for a wide range of hardware. Although the tutorial has the few hardware, but you can use it for the large range of hardware. And you can interact with the robots either by Windows or Windows web. And you can create an application through which you can interact with the robots either by using HTML, JavaScript through the web browser. And you can also mount a camera on the robotics robot so that you can survey on the survey location. And RDS comes with the lightweight REST style service oriented runtime, which have the two main components. One is CCR and another is DSS. CCR stands for the concurrency and coordination runtime. DSS stands for the decentralized software services. So basically CCR help in the for designing our robots for the multiple purpose, and DSS help us for the web-based interfaces. It also help in the for using HTML or JavaScript for controlling our robot. And you can extend or scale it for the robotics through the wide range. It has the so many function RDS. So through Vacillates, you can use it for the many languages. C# through the Visual Studio, Visual Studio Express comes in the RDS. You can operate the robots through remote or Bluetooth 802.111 and through this. So basically, RDS provides lots of function in the robotics designing. So it's a very good software for the person who is interested in the robotics, and I think it's the best one. So thank you.